All right, apparently this is the #1 Japanese instant coffee. This is the UCC The Blend number 114. They make different numbers on there. I've seen a 117, but I had to try this because I try all instant coffees, and this is absolutely fantastic. This is a 3.17 ounce jar. Let me show you in size comparison to a few things. Here it is in size comparison to a Davidoff, and here it is in size comparison to the Happy Blend. And I'll show you some smaller Medaglia d'Oro butternut. So you can see it's kind of a medium-sized thing. It goes quick because it tastes fantastic. This is one of the better tasting instant coffees I've had. You know, the ground's very similar to Taster's Choice and others. It has a rich taste to it. It's not too acidy. You can drink this hot or cold. I like to run an electric tea kettle, and I mix it in slowly to make sure I don't burn the grounds. Add my fixings in, and it is fantastic. You can also make this cold too if you want to make a cold brew. You know, if you're on the run, if you like black coffee, this stuff tastes great. Definitely worth checking out if you're into instant coffees. This is the Blend number 114, and I love it.